Consumer Reports uses expert coffee tasters to blind test coffee and keeps their identity secret to make sure they're 100% independent. But they each were willing to reveal how they make the perfect cup at home.
I make a great cup of coffee. The most important thing is to use fresh coffee, to grind it fresh, and then to just make it the way you like it. The water temperature should be somewhere around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. About 30 seconds off the boil. So if you just put a pot on to boil and then turn it off and wait 30 seconds while you get the coffee ground, it'll be perfect. I like to make a pour-over style. Pour the water myself over coffee in a filter. You have like a cone with the receptor at the bottom, and then you just put the filter in there, the coffee, and then you pour the water on top. Just like a electronic or electric drip machine, but done by hand. Very simple.
It's extremely easy to make a good cup of coffee at home. You need to think about your water. Coffee is 98.6% water. Your water needs to be great. You have a filter at home, something like that. Filtering your water before you boil it, awesome. You need to think about your water temperature. Water wants to be somewhere between 195 and 205. So it's really something that it's pretty easy to do. Boil your water up, let it sit for a minute or two. That's going to be great. The other thing that's going to change your life a lot is getting a good grinder. And a grinder is not hard to find. Fact is that a burr grinder will take your coffee up by many-fold. Pre-ground coffee, coffee ground in a blade grinder are going to be coffees that just don't show up well in the cup, whereas freshly ground coffee, so much better. Weigh your ingredients. Put it on a scale. It's going to be great. Weigh how much water you're using. Just get your ratios right, and it's going to be super easy and taste a lot better. Over the course of a year, if you can make specialty coffee at home, you will save at least $200 a year by doing it at home rather than going out for at a coffee bar.